Good morning, dear student. With you today, Mrs. May, your science teacher, to cover Unit 1, Lesson 2, Chemical Compounds. Slide number 2, valency. It's the number of electrons that atom gain, lose, or even share during chemical reaction. Examples: sodium chlorine are monovalent, magnesium oxygen are divalent, aluminium is trivalent. Argon, its valency is 0 because its outer level is completely filled with electron. Slide number 3. Monovalent metallic element, which means this element losing one electron during chemical reaction: lithium, potassium, sodium, and silver. Divalent metallic element, this means these elements lose 2 electrons during chemical reaction: calcium, magnesium, lead, mercury, zinc. Trivalent, this means that lose 3 electrons as aluminium. Slide 4. Monovalent non-metallic elements, they are gain 1 electron as hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. Divalent, this means this gain or share 2 electrons as oxygen. Trivalent non-metallic element as carbon. Atomic groups, it's a set of atoms joined together and act like one atom during chemical reaction and have their own valency. Slide 5. Examples of atomic groups. First, monovalent atomic groups: hydroxide, bicarbonate, nitrate, nitrite, ammonium. Divalent atomic groups: carbonate, sulfate, trivalent, phosphate. Slide 6. Chemical formula. It's a formula that represents the number and the type of atoms in the molecule. As we see here, hydrogen chloride HCl, sodium hydroxide NaOH. Each element take the valency of the other element. Slide 7. There are many types of compounds. First, acids. They are substances dissolved in water producing positive hydrogen ions. Examples: sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Properties of acids: they have sour taste, their color change litmus paper into red. These properties due to producing hydrogen ions. Slide 8. Bases. They are substances dissolved in water producing negative hydroxide ions as sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. They have bitter taste, change litmus paper into blue due to producing hydroxide ions. Oxides. Compounds resulted from combination between oxygen and element, even it's metal or non-metal. Examples: metal oxides as sodium oxide and aluminium oxide. Non-metal oxides as carbon dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Slide number 9. Salts. They are compounds resulted from combination of positive ion or atomic groups and negative ion or atomic group except oxygen. Example: silver chloride and sodium chloride. There are 2 types of salts: dissolve in water as sodium chloride, doesn't dissolve in water as silver chloride. Questions. Scientific term: number of electrons gained, lost, or shared by atom, valency. Number 2, compounds change litmus paper into red, acids. Number 3, compound change litmus paper into blue, bases. Number 4, compounds resulted by combination between oxygen and elements, oxide. Thank you, dear students. See you in the next lesson.